Hello, this is NAVIFORCE watch unboxing review. Today I'm going to bring you a chronographic calendar Quartz. Let's have a look now. This is the box you will receive. First, you will see this is a measurement, and then this is a guarantee card. This watch, the model we got is NF8019T. Is NAVIFORCE the new design of the TPU strap. Now we can find the number on the back case. Here's the NF8019. Okay, let's have more details about it. On this dial, we can see there are many levels patterns, and here 3 small windows. In the 3 o'clock positions, we can see here is a very small window about the calendar windows, and this bigger window is for 24 hours. And this one is for the second chronographic, and this is for the minute chronographic. And we can see when you push this button on the upper right, the second chronographic hands is reversed, and we push again, it will stop. And on the lower right position here, this button, push it, then the hands will be reset. Okay, as I mentioned before, this is our new material of the strap, TPU silicone. And this strap, the most character is waterproof and sweat resistant. And also we can see on both sides we inject this kind of metal particles to make as a decoration. The strap is very soft and flexible. Okay, let's have a try on my wrist. Wow, so cool, this color. I like it. Okay, actually we have 5 colors for this model. Let me show you. Okay, welcome back. Here is the 5 colors. Just now I have shown you this orange color. Now let's have a look at the yellow color of the TPU silicone strap. It's the same design of the 3 windows in the dial, and also the hands, our hands and the mini hands. Also in the indices, we have the luminous coating. Very nice strap. Okay, the next color is a black one. Black combined the silver windows. Up and down button is silver, and the middle crown is red. And also on the strap here, the metal particle is 02. Okay, the next color is the color combined the rose gold. The small window is rose gold and the case and the up and down the button is rose gold too. Also, you can see the metal particle in the strap, also the rose gold. Okay, the last color is the blue one. The blue one is more popular for the young guys things. The bezel is blue, but the dial, the small window, and the button is rose gold, and the case is rose gold too. And also the particles on the strap is rose gold too. Okay, this is all today. There are 5 colors. What color is your favorite? Come to our store, can pick the best one you like. Okay, bye bye.